We are getting closer to Halloween, and
One more day till Halloween.
and I have another fun lunch for Brandon. So we're using Planet Box. This one is the Rover. Okay, and he mixed and matched. Whoa!
What in the?
Is that silly? So this is a bagel with cream cheese. I used a bagel thin. Put a little Dracula teeth in here. And some eyes.
And what is
like a
it
scary
for?
monster. We got some ghost veggie chips here.
Everything is
Yep.
dairy.
We got some oranges, some grapes, and then got an eyeball in there. Oreo cookies that they have this season. This one says Boo. And then just a piece of cheese, and then his multivitamins.
That is pretty dairy.
It's pretty scary.
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright, so this teeth, literally just a hole. Put the little Dracula teeth inside. So make sure you take that out, and then you got your little eyes, okay?
Like that.
Yep. Just push it back in. There we go. Alright, so guys, so this is another Halloween fun lunch that we came up with, and let's see if he eats at the end of the day.
Mommy.
Yes?
What about this one? This is not an eye. That's not the eye. It's supposed to be here.
Huh?
Look. At
What?
the door bin.
I know, they're different. That's why it's silly. It's scary. Okay?
But what about this?
It's okay. It's fine. Anyways, we will see what he eats at the end of the day. All right. Bye. And so we're back from school, and earlier today I used the Planet Box, and I had made Brandon a monster sandwich where we had the Dracula teeth in here. It was super cute, but as I kind of thought would happen, he did not eat it. He ate around here a little bit, but didn't really eat much of it at all. He claimed that he didn't like it. He doesn't like cream cheese. I don't know, because he eats cream cheese, but he doesn't eat it with the bagel at home for breakfast sometimes. So I'm not really sure. Maybe it was chewy. I don't know. I don't know why, but the whole thing is practically still here. He did finish his grapes and his orange, his multivitamin, his cheese, of course his Oreo, and he almost finished these little ghost chips here as well. But basically the main entree he did not. So I wouldn't say it was like a complete loss. Maybe for him, yes, so I probably won't do it again. Or maybe I'll get like the little mini bagels, because they'll be smaller, because this was pretty big. But hopefully you guys like it, and you know, give it a try. And if your kids love bagel and cream cheese, I think this will be a complete hit. Super cute. You can probably do it all year round, because it's just a little monster. But it was something new that we were trying for Halloween. So maybe you guys can try it. And if you do and your kid loves it, please comment down below and let me know. And I will see you the next day. Bye.